The Animal Show. Here on the Animal Show. Here on the Animal Show. From under the ocean with the clouds and around the world, out comes the wild side of wildlife, the Animal Show. And now let's have a wild welcome for your best friends, Festus and Brad. Now it's the Animal Show. Hello, little animals out there. I'm Festus and I'm Brad. And today we're gonna meet the saber-toothed tiger and a rhinoceros iguana, two endangered species. Now we'll be right back after this. And now it's time for That's Amazing. Today, a number of animals are going extinct each year. Today, we figure out what happens when the animals go extinct. Extinct? What's that? Extinct means there are no more of a certain kind of animal. No more ever. No more ever. Not even one. Not even one. What? And many animals, many number of animals are going extinct each year. For example, pandas, Javan rhinos, Siberian tigers, and Przewalski's horses are all endangered species. We gotta stop this. We sure do. Because once these animals are gone, we can never get them back. Animals that are going extinct. Another animal fact that will make you say, "That's amazing." And now it's time to meet our first guest. Here he is, all the way from the Ice Age. Here is Tom, the saber-toothed tiger. Hi, Tom. Now taste the life of a saber-toothed tiger. Sure thing, Freddy. Now, what do you eat? We are carnivores, and we hunt large mammals. Carnivores are animals that eat meat. That's right, Brad. Now, where do you live? We inhabited a variety of environments in the Americas, including forests, rushy plains, and margins of woodlands, and we went extinct around 13,000 years ago. Now, are you powerful? Our jaws are remarkably underpowered for a cat. Of its large size and bulk, biting with the same amount of force as a jaguar, about a third of its size. Wow. Now, thanks, Tom, for showing what's life for a saber-toothed tiger. No problem, Brad. I'll see you later, then. Oh, goodbye. Bye.